going to say which day it is because I don't really know when I'm going to upload this. Probably Friday, but who knows. Now, we have a brand new band that we've never featured on the channel before. And I know a little someone who's probably excited for this more than anyone else. Mr. Wednesday himself, Alex. Now he has ranted and raved to me and Brandon about how this new album from these guys that's not out yet could be the album of the year. Now he said there's 2 songs that have been released and 2 of the best fucking songs this year so far. Now if someone says that to me, you know I'm going to check it out. He doesn't know that I'm checking this one out, but he will eventually. I have checked out these guys in the past, obviously not on reactions, but just on Spotify, some of the previous albums. I've not listened to a full album, a few songs by them. Nothing really stood out, but apparently the new stuff is fucking outrageous. So, let's not waste any more time, let's do it. So, this is Fit for an Autopsy, The Seat of Tragic Beasts, in 3, 2, 1. Heavy vibes straight away. Fucking digging this start so far. Loving that fucking guitar sound, like it's going down the guitars with his fingers. Sounds fucking sick, man. I don't know the technical name for it. These guys are going hard. Oh! I didn't expect like a lesser angry fucking scream. Obviously that's the chorus, but fucking pace, man. Goes fucking hard. Like my dick. Really? Goosebumps, man. Wait for this. Such an offbeat, man. I fucking love it. Oh, you dirty bastard! That was fucking filthy. Straight me out. Fucking unbelievable. don't understand how I fucking listen to these guys. Come on, man. Fuck. As you can fucking tell, I hated that. No, that was unbelievable. So, I feel like that is the direction that Thy Art Is Murder should have taken on the new album. I'm not a big fan of the new album at all. I find it really bland and boring. There's just nothing special about it. Nothing stands out for me. A few songs are alright, but yeah, that was fucking ridiculously fucking good. The heavy paceness to it, the fucking absolute raw, brutal vocals. Now, that guy's scream is what I class as like the perfect pitch of vocals. It's the deepness, but he can also put them highs in there when needed to. And he placed everything perfectly in. Now, that breakdown, come on. I nearly destroyed my fucking wall, man. Yeah, that was fucking worth it. Absolutely worth it. Now, I definitely need to check out the other single that they released. Just want to make a big formal apology to Alex out there for not actually fucking listening to these guys sooner than what I should have done. And you guys already know, that was so fucking beer worthy. Cheers. Cheers.